Overheated passengers who were trapped on a plane without air conditioning were forced to open its emergency exits to get some fresh air in the stifling Brazilian summer heat. The airline, GOL, decided to cancel the flight from Rio de Janeiro to São Paulo due to the faulty air conditioning system, but 130 passengers were stranded inside for an hour while they waited to disembark. The flight crew was preparing for takeoff when a revolt by cabin crew and passengers forced them to return to the gate at Rio de Janeiro's main international airport, according to reports.